Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get TikTok account back with only username. So in case you forgot your email address or your phone number, so what you're going to do here is open your TikTok and go to sign in or log in. And then what you're going to do here next is you just have to simply click this question mark icon in the top right corner. And then what you're going to do here is click this recover your account. Tap this one. And then after that, what you're going to do next is click this TikTok username. Okay. So here, once you tap this, of course, you have to enter your username and you have to make sure that your username is correct. And then tap this need help below. You can see this one. And then after you tap this and need help, what you're going to do next is that you have to be very specific with your concern here. So you are asking a help on TikTok help desk, and then you can see you can copy this one if you want, or you can create your own like hello. Please help me to log in. I forgot my TikTok account, or probably I forgot my TikTok phone number or my email address. I only have my username. You can indicate or you can type here or add here your username. Also, you can add the email address where they can reach you. And after that, you just have to click submit and then wait for the customer service team to respond and tell you the instruction on how to recover your TikTok account since you have your username. Okay, you can also go to Google Chrome and then here you can simply type this TikTok report a problem or TikTok feedback rather. Okay, so you have to type here TikTok feedback, tap this one. And then here you have to click this feedback and help, second one right here. Or you can also tap this report a problem. It's the same thing. So here topic, select an option. And then you also need to add email address and username. So for select an option, you can tap this general account inquiry. Category recover account, provide your email address, username, additional details, and you can also upload your image here as a proof and then submit. And that's it.
So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channels and see you again in our next videos.